The top story that we are tracking this evening, and that's the rupee rally. The Indian currency has surged to a fresh 16-month high today. In fact, the rupee is right now the best performing currency in the world today. Also, the INR has actually gained 3.7% in 2017 so far. So what are the factors driving the rupee to new highs, and what does it mean for various sectors? Latha Venkatesh has done all the number crunching and she's here with the analysis. Latha, over to you.
Well, the rupee has recently got a leg up largely because of equity flows. We saw on Tuesday 4,000 crores and more of FPI flows following the landslide victory for the BJP in Uttar Pradesh. Pretty much that appears to have continued. Yesterday one saw a fairly smart rally for the rupee, but at 66.10 yesterday the dollar got some support from the Reserve Bank coming in and buying a lot of dollars. But the Reserve Bank suddenly let go. And so there were already a lot of dollar sell positions waiting in the market when it opened today. The market also was told overnight that the equity flows yesterday had been as massive as 4,000 crore. So bang in the first few minutes of trade, there were people just waiting to sell dollars, and the dollar became as cheap as 65.40, which is the cheapest we have seen it since November of 2015, that 16-month low. Thereafter, the Reserve Bank continued to support the dollar. It has been buying dollars between that 65.40, 65.50 mark, and thus supporting it. But it's difficult to call a peg for the dollar rupee. The Reserve Bank normally tries to smooth out volatilities, but once the FIIs start buying, it is usually the practice that they continue for a few days, because they have been out of India buying or have preferred markets like Brazil and Russia for the better part of 2017. Now they are coming back with a vengeance, and therefore the rupee could get stronger. Now, where the Reserve Bank will pitch its support and when it will let go, how will the flows pan out, it's difficult to say. Nobody out there has a range or a level for the rupee. Suffice it to say that it very much looks like there's more appreciation of the rupee round the corner.